the return of a legend reborn, redesigned, and re-engineered for the future. This is the all-new BMW Z1 Convertible. A name that once echoed through the halls of automotive history has now returned with a vengeance, wrapped in bold design, futuristic performance, and unmistakable BMW DNA. From the moment you lay eyes on it, it's clear this isn't just a car. It's a rolling statement of innovation and power. The deep crimson paint shimmers under the showroom lights, each curve of the sculpted body drawing your attention. With an ultra-low stance, massive air intakes, and sharp aerodynamic elements, the Z1 looks like it's in motion, even at a standstill. Every detail has been sharpened, refined, and pushed to the edge. The iconic kidney grille is blacked out and more aggressive, flanked by piercing LED RLs that look like they belong in a science fiction movie. Massive multi-spoke alloy wheels hug the asphalt, while the wide body kit and carbon fiber accents amplify its road presence to a whole new level. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends futuristic aesthetics with pure driver focus. Luxury, the interior is bathed in deep red and matte black tones, a bold palette that screams confidence. Slim sport bucket seats are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching and contouring that hugs your body in all the right places. The dashboard flows like a wave, centered around a fully digital instrument display that blends into a massive infotainment screen, both seamlessly integrated into a single curved panel. Touch-sensitive controls, ambient lighting that changes with driving mode, and a center console that looks more spacecraft than sports car. It all makes you feel like you're in command of something truly special. Underneath that sculpted hood, the BMW Z1 Convertible doesn't just look fast, it is fast. While official figures may still be under wraps, sources hint at a high-performance hybrid powertrain, or possibly even an all-electric setup. Whichever direction BMW takes, expect blistering acceleration, precise handling, and a suspension tuned for both thrill and refinement. This car is built for winding roads, coastal drives, and stolen moments of pure adrenaline. With its open-top design, the experience is an immersive engine note in your ears, wind rushing past, the scent of the road filling your senses. It's an emotional connection that reminds you why driving matters. But the Z1 doesn't stop at looks and power. It's smarter than ever. Advanced driver assistance systems, AI-driven performance tuning, real-time adaptive damping, and next-gen connectivity ensure this Roadster is as intelligent as it is thrilling. From over-the-air updates to personalized drive profiles, the Z1 tailors the experience to you. It's not just a machine, it learns, adapts, and evolves with every drive. The BMW Z1 Convertible is more than a modern roadster. It's a bold reimagining of what the future of driving looks like. A mix of elegance and aggression, tradition and innovation, raw emotion and refined technology. For those who crave the spotlight, for those who demand performance with soul, and for those who want a car that turns every street into a catwalk, the Z1 delivers. Welcome to a new chapter in the legacy of open-top driving. Welcome to the future, born in Bavaria, built for the brave.